You have ticket boat? You book already?
Sam and I just made it to the pier. It's called like Klong Jalad Pier, something like that. We just had a police officer and his friend take our picture, which...
Super sketch. We instantly regretted it.
Yeah, it was one of those things where we're just caught off guard. We're like, okay. And then 12 seconds later, we're like, why did we do that?
Let him take a picture?
Sam and I made it to the hotel. It is hotter than a hoochie's coochie out there.
Hotter than a hoochie coochie.
We came in and we instantly took a shower. I'm sure we'll show you the hotel later. I mean, it's inside, nothing super special, but it's an island. So yeah, you gotta kind of lower your expectations on an island. We got this cool freaking little mermaid picture, kind of cool. But yeah, we're gonna kind of get redressed and go do our laundry because somehow we have a lot of it. We've only been here for like 4 days and every single article of clothing is dirty.
The next day.
Sam and I are up and at 'em pretty early today. We got up at like 5:45. It's almost 6:15, I think. We are going to Maya Bay, so we're putting together a couple of backpacks for like a half-day tour on the water. But yeah, we're running slightly late. Told me to do that. Yeah, I just pulled out the camera so I could be even later. Okay, but I gotta finish putting all my stuff away so that we can actually go. Whoops. So we're doing the 3-hour island tour of Maya Bay. This is the lagoon right here. It's where we were just swimming. Maya Bay. Pretty busy, but not like where it disrupts it. We've seen videos where there's thousands of people. We're still kind of here a little early. I think it's like 8 o'clock, but honestly not even close to as bad as I thought it was going to be. If you're ever going to come, I would just suggest coming super early, find out when sunrise is and ask to leave at that time. That's what we did, and if we wouldn't have stopped, we would have been super early, but we got to see some other stuff real quick.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. We made it to Maya Bay.
The sand, the water, the views. It's not even that busy. Ooh, there's sharks. You see it? There's two.
Can't really tell, but those are sharks. Sam is running to go get GoPro because I almost just dropped this camera. which is not good, but yeah, there's sharks. Baby shark, baby shark, do 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 do.
Am I recording?
Yes. Sam is recording sharks. Her biggest fear in the entire world is sharks, and then she's over here walking around to it. It's okay because they're babies, she said. And like that, we're leaving already.
Don't want to. I loved it. The sand is so soft, the water is warm. I'm not even afraid of sharks here.
You almost didn't even want to come.
Well, that's because we saw in videos it's like 5,000 people here.
But it really wasn't that bad.
It's like overcast, the weather is nice.
We're walking through the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. I will say I was here in 2017 and it's still just as beautiful. It's changed quite a bit. Definitely more people. And now there's like official like paths and there's buildings and bathrooms.
What's coming our way?
It didn't used to be like that, but still absolutely gorgeous. Quite popular. Swimming is 10 times easier when there's no crazy waves crashing, and we're in a bay. Maya Bay. And just like that, we are leaving Maya Bay. Never thought I would be back here again in my life, so that's what you get for assuming. I don't know that we'll ever be back, but you never know. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, hello again. I'm burnt. Sam and I just got up from a way too long of a nap. But, I mean, we got up early, so then we can justify it. But it's just making ourselves feel better. We also had and tried 17 different types of chips.
These ones from the garbage.
Oh yeah, we threw one away that we had one chip apiece. We're wasteful. But, well, almost all of them taste like shit. But now we're gonna go to the beach and hang out and take another nap probably. So why not? Nothing else to do. Oh, we just got our laundry. It was done early. 4 kilograms of laundry. I think we paid like $6 to have it all washed. Sam and I just went for a swim. We are way friggin' out here. I'm just kidding. You can stand, we're like, I don't know.
It's out here.
We're probably 250 yards, 300 yards from the shore, and we just got waist deep. I just wanted to make it to this rock. Why? I don't know, I just wanted to touch it. Yeah, I touched it. What's up? Call me a beach. So we're headed back to our room after some sunset beach cocktails. Got me a new hat. But now we're back.
2 hours later.
Sam and I just showered and got ready. We came back from the beach. We're all dressed fancy. I mean,
Fancy. Clean clothes.
yeah, it's fancy. They're not wet. We're gonna head to dinner, and then I think we're gonna go to the Muay Thai bar. Sam and I are back at the reggae bar, or
I've never been here before.
well, we walked by like 7 times. This is the reggae bar that you like, or Muay Thai bar where you can fight. Basically, you sign up to fight, you get a free bucket of alcohol. This time we just bought them. I feel like it's a little bit more ideal. Last time I'm pretty sure I got a concussion, but it's easy.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning. It's the next day. Stayed at that fighting bar till like noon. Obviously didn't film when we got, I mean midnight. We're going to get breakfast right now. We get free breakfast at the hotel. Not that you care, but if you read this, it says not included and any menu items other than American breakfast will be changed to your room account. So we'll see how the American breakfast is.
Let it go.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm hungry as an ape. Breakfast looks like that slaps. Well, we are back from breakfast. Absolutely delicious, or I was just really, really hungry. They made omelets. I don't think I've ever had an omelet in my entire life. I know I've had scrambled eggs, but I don't think I've ever actually had an omelet, and it was the shit. Yeah, now we're gonna go on a little adventure as far as a hike goes. We're gonna go to this viewpoint and then probably to one of the beaches.
Let it go.
We're doing this viewpoint walk. We are sweating our Rastafarian ninis off.
I'm freezing my royal Rastafarian ninis off.
We're on like step 80. Really not that many, but it's the humidity. It feels like it's 1 billion degrees. I feel like I'm walking on the moon. Or the sun. The sun. For like 25 minutes. I think we just caught our breath.
Yes. It's still hot though, but it's pretty. Just erase all the people in front of me right now.
Got it all to ourselves. Yeah, it's really not that bad. Plus when you come here, it's just something you gotta do. It's kind of like going to Maya Bay.
It was hot, but it was worth it.
Yeah, my shirt is literally soaking wet.
I asked you if you poured water on yourself.
I didn't. No idea how long we just stayed up there at the viewpoint. We're on our way down. Probably at least an hour. Longer, you think? Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Now it's time to go to the beach. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm pretty G'd out in Thailand gear, Thailand merch. Got the new Patagucci hat, shirt. What else I got? Oh yeah, Thailand socks. We just got shakes.
Yum.
I got dragon fruit.
I got Oreo.
Sam got Oreo. Which is weird because I feel like normally she's the fruity one and I'm the chocolatey one, but let me try yours. You try mine. Oh my god.
Yeah, mine's way better.
Just had to stop and get some more ice cream. Coconut flavor. Super hot fire. I don't think it's actually coconut flavor, just coconut ice cream. Definitely.
It tastes like vanilla.
Yeah, it's definitely vanilla. But it's very good.
It's very good.
Spot on.
10 out of 10 recommend?
10 out of 10 recommend. We made it to Long Beach. This isn't actually the beach that I thought we were coming to, but still super, super nice. But yeah, super hot. The sun just feels 800 degrees.
This water is so nice. Oh my god, there's crabs.
Crabs! And just like that, we are leaving Long Beach. It's been like 2 hours here. Super, super pretty. It was fun.
It was fun. We might got burnt a little bit.
Or a lot of it. On the path to and from this friggin' beach. Hey.
2 hours later.
It was an absolutely brutal walk back. We got in the pool as soon as we got back to the hotel. Took a quick shower. Look at Sam's sunburn.
X gon' give it to you. What?
He gonna give it to you.
Sunscreen, Mom, I promise I did.
I wore sunscreen. My arms, I don't know if you can see really, but I look like Iron Man. But now we're going back out in the sun for a sunset cruise. We are so tired. We are beyond tired.
We did lots of walking today, lots of hiking, lots of uphill.
Too much.
And we haven't even sat down except at the beach.
Yeah, and we've only eaten breakfast. I feel like we have done so much in the last 48 hours. We're about to go do some more. Come with. Or don't. Sunset cruise. You might be able to maybe still see the sun in the background. It was beautiful. It was awesome.
This area is called like Noi Bay.
Sure.
Next day.
Didn't really film much last night. Got super sick. Threw up once and had some bad bathroom. Still don't feel great. We are just drinking, I'm drinking Sprite until our fast boat leaves in like 10 minutes. Yeah.
And then what, we got like a 3-hour car drive?
Yeah, so we have a 1-hour boat ride and then a 3-hour car drive. And I'm just not feeling so hot, so excited to see how this is gonna go.